Listen up. Nearly half of you are walking around with a calcium deficiency. You think milk is the holy grail of calcium, but it's not the only game in town. So, put down the milk carton and open your minds, because we're about to show you 7 surprising foods that'll send your calcium levels soaring. First up, chia seeds. These tiny, unassuming seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can easily be incorporated into your daily diet. These little seeds you sprinkle on your yogurt are packed with more calcium than a dairy farm. Imagine getting more calcium from a spoonful of chia seeds than from a whole glass of milk. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds packs 180 milligrams of calcium, nearly double what you get in a glass of milk. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to boost their calcium intake without relying on dairy products. They're also brimming with fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to support overall health, from improving digestion to enhancing brain function. Improved digestion, heart health, and a fighting chance against free radicals. The fiber in chia seeds helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, while the omega-3s support heart health. Next time you need a calcium boost, sprinkle chia seeds on your salads, smoothies, or porridge. They're versatile and can be added to almost any dish, making it easy to enjoy their health benefits every day. Next up, almonds. These nuts are a powerhouse of essential nutrients, including calcium. Just a handful a day can give you a serious calcium boost. We're talking improved heart health, blood sugar control, and weight management. Stick to raw or dry roasted almonds with no added salt, and you'll be reaping the benefits in no time. Trust us, your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about kale. This leafy green is a calcium superstar, putting even milk to shame. 1 cup of cooked kale packs 94 milligrams of calcium. It's also loaded with vitamins K, A, and C. We're talking stronger bones, healthier blood, and a boost to your immune system. Sauté it, bake it, blend it into a smoothie, the possibilities are endless. For those who aren't afraid of a little fishy goodness, let us introduce you to sardines. These small fish pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Just 1 can of sardines contains 325 milligrams of calcium, more than a glass of milk. That's right, these tiny fish are a calcium powerhouse, essential for strong bones and teeth. They're also an excellent source of omega-3s, vitamin D, and protein. Omega-3s are crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting heart health, while vitamin D helps with calcium absorption, improved heart health, brain function, and even a boost to your mood. Regular consumption of sardines can contribute to a healthier lifestyle and overall well-being. Try them grilled, baked, or straight out of the can. You might be surprised. Sardines are versatile and can be added to salads, pasta, or enjoyed as a snack. Give them a try and discover the benefits for yourself. Next up, tofu, the chameleon of the culinary world. This versatile ingredient can transform into countless dishes, making it a staple in many kitchens around the globe. This soy-based wonder is an excellent source of calcium, essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. It's a fantastic option for those looking to boost their calcium intake without dairy. Half a cup of firm tofu packs 200 milligrams of calcium, which is about 20% of your daily recommended intake. It's a simple way to add a significant amount of calcium to your diet, but that's not all. Tofu is also a great source of protein, iron, and manganese. These nutrients are crucial for muscle repair, oxygen transport, and bone health. We're talking building muscle, boosting energy levels, and keeping your bones strong. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to stay healthy, tofu can be a key part of your diet. Stir-fry it, bake it, crumble it, or blend it into a smoothie. The possibilities are endless. From savory dishes to sweet treats, tofu can do it all. Experiment with different recipes and discover your favorite way to enjoy this nutrient-packed food. Don't underestimate sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with more calcium than you might think. 1 tablespoon contains 88 milligrams of calcium. They're also a great source of fiber, iron, and zinc. Sprinkle them on salads, stir-fries, or yogurt for a delicious and nutritious calcium boost. Last but not least, bok choy, a crunchy and delicious vegetable that's often overlooked. 1 cup of cooked bok choy contains 158 milligrams of calcium. It's also an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants. Improved vision, stronger bones, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Stir-fry it, steam it, or add it to soups and stews. So there you have it, 7 surprising foods that'll give your calcium levels the kick they need. Milk might be the poster child for calcium, but it's time to expand your culinary horizons and give these nutritional powerhouses a try. Also share down in the comments your favorite calcium-rich foods. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and get ready to level up your health game.